Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cyberpunk 2077 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, go ahead and click on Settings. And now from this menu, click on Controls at the top. You will now see various different options. At first, you will see the steering sensitivity. You can move the slider to the left in order to decrease it, and to the right in order to increase this. You can also change the dead zone for your controllers. And when you scroll down, you will find the first-person camera as well as the third-person camera sensitivity options. You can once again use the slider to decrease or increase the sensitivity, and you also have the option to invert the axes for both the horizontal and vertical axes. There is also the option to reduce camera sensitivity when you are zooming in with your weapon. You can increase this if you wish to reduce sensitivity much more when you are zooming in. After changing the settings for your mouse, you can do the same for your controller as well. Finally, once you are done, you can simply go back to your main menu and continue your game, and your settings will be applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings within the Cyberpunk 2077 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.